What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. You guys may be thinking that I look exactly the same as the previous video I posted, but that is because I am pre-filming 2 videos this week. I have literally just finished filming another video all about Amazon returns, so if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the eye. And let me just tell you, there was quite a lot of interesting and fun items in that video, so make sure you guys check it out. But for today's video, I have yet another return box. This time around, I have a mixture of clothing returns. Inside this box is an Asos clothing mystery box, and there is 20 different pieces in here. I paid $79.99 once again for this box, and then £10 shipping on top. So that works out around £4.50 for each item, which I feel like is a bargain, especially if we have some really decent brands inside. Obviously, I have my fingers crossed for brands like North Face or Columbia. Any kind of decent and slightly more on the high-end side brands would be great. As always, if you guys are new here and you guys haven't seen my face before, hi, I'm Roxy. Welcome to my channel. If you guys want to stick around, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. But if you guys want to see what is inside this box, then without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. I am yet to look inside. I literally just opened the box and I was like, okay, this is the clothing one. Anyways, the first item I see is this, which looks like a dress from a brand called Little Mistress. This definitely looks interesting. It is not my size. It's a size 14. But either way, let's take a look. Oh, wow. This is really cute. It looks like a little party slash prom dress. This is so nice. Had this been in my size, I would have totally loved this because this is really, really cute. I love the little bottom tulle sort of skirt. And it's such a nice dusty pink sort of color, so this is right up my street already. By the way, anything in this video that is not my size, I will be donating to charity. The next item I have is actually what looks like a bag from a brand called Licorice. Oh my goodness, it looks like a sage green bag, which I have actually been eyeing up for. If you guys have been on my channel before, you will know that I don't really wear color that much. The only kind of colors that I wear is baby blue, baby pink, or sage green. So this is pretty cool. The fact that there is a sage green bag in here, and oh my gosh, it is stunning. Wow, that is literally so me. This is the perfect size for a little bag. The color is everything. I'm literally obsessed. It's giving matcha vibes. I totally want to do an outfit inspired by matcha and maybe even makeup. That should be a thing. Matcha girl. Okay, the next item we have, I feel like I've not been so lucky with because I really don't like this pattern. I mean, I'm definitely warming up to floral patterns more and more as I do these videos, but it's not really the type of thing that I would normally go for. So this is actually a dress from Miss Selfridge. Okay, so here is the dress, and it's kind of giving auntie vibes. Do you know what I mean? It is a cute shape, but I just don't really like the design. That's literally all it is. I like the neckline. I like the sleeves with the little ruching, and the rest of the dress is pretty nice and bodycon, but yeah, the pattern is just a little bit outdated. I feel like Miss Selfridge's definitely has some pricey items. So yeah, it is pretty cool. I'm definitely gonna donate this one. The next item we have is this, and this is again from Miss Selfridge's. This one was £30. That is a huge chunk of what I paid towards this whole box in just the value of one item. Oh wow, it's a little cute crop top. I love it. It's definitely not my size, but I feel like I could totally keep this and maybe tailor it quite easily. If I literally just took it in at the sides, that would totally work. It's got a little zipper in the back. This one is in size 14. I mean, this one is definitely very cute. It's a lot more me and my personal style, but I will still donate this so someone else can enjoy it. The next item we have is a black item. Oh my gosh, this is a Puma item. Wow, okay. Really wonder what this could be. It's a ribbed kind of fabric. Oh, it's a top. It's a top from Puma, look. That is cool. I know that Puma can again be quite pricey as well. This one's in a size 2X, so again, a little bit too big for me, but this is really nice quality, very cool. And it's got the little Puma logo. How awesome. I would definitely donate this as well. Moving on, the next item I have is right here, and it looks like a little t-shirt. I've actually been needing a little like plain t-shirt to just wear around the house. Regular casual t-shirts are definitely something I'm really missing in my wardrobe, and this one is so cute. It's actually a long sleeve t-shirt. But the back is adorable. I have no idea what this character is, but it kind of looks like a little Pokemon or something. On the label, it says Bad 420 Capsule Collection April 2022. Look at the label. This is cool. I really like the branding. So yeah, this is definitely not really my vibe for like every day, but just for like lounging around the house, who cares? I think it's cute enough. Moving on, we then have this next item, which again looks like it might be some kind of dress or skirt. This one I think might be from the Asos own brand. Oh, okay. It is not what I thought. It's actually a top. Wow, this is cool. It's one of those like satiny, silky kind of tops. This is definitely not my color. I feel like that does not go with my face, but it's okay. This one is actually in my size. It's in size 6, and yeah, I feel like this one is a very sophisticated top. Not something that I would wear like day to day, but yeah, really nice quality. So again, I will probably donate this. Ooh, we have another Miss Selfridge dress. This one is in the size 12, and it's a tassel faux leather jacket. It's not a dress, it's a jacket. It's a tassel faux leather jacket in black. Okay. Ooh, wow. It's giving Western vibes. I mean, the quality's really nice. Like the faux leather is very soft. The tassels are giving. The tassels are tasseling. Again, this is definitely not my style, but it is a really nice jacket, so I would definitely donate this. Next up, we have this, which I'm guessing is a skirt. It's a Asos design lounge mix and match woven stripe boxer short in gray. I'm literally wrong about everything in this video, so I thought this was a skirt, but it's actually shorts. These are so cute though. Oh my goodness, like cute little pajama shorts. I'm definitely keeping these. What size are they? Oh, they're a size 12, but I mean, that's all right. I feel like they will still be quite nice and baggy. Okay, next item. Very funky prints we've got going on. It's a green floral print wrapped top with scallop peplum hem. This one is in a size 8, so although it's not my style, it should fit. Okay, here it is. Yeah, not really me. It's way too like open in the front. What the heck is going on here? It literally does not even have a button to keep this together like up higher, so your whole chest is just gonna be on show. Definitely not my vibe, but I will say the pattern on it is totally reminding me of Totally Spies. Do you guys remember that cartoon? It was literally like my thing when I was growing up, and this is giving like groovy patterns that they used to wear. The next item we have is this, and it looks like a waistcoat. It's a Daisy Street cropped 90s waistcoat in blue check cord. So I guess this also came with either a pair of, I don't know, shorts or a skirt, which you could like mix and match. However, I only got the waistcoat. I feel like as a standalone piece, this isn't cute. Like, I just don't know how I would style this, but if I like layered with it and sort of leaned into more of like a K-pop stage kind of outfit, this could totally be giving. But I will say this is in my size, kind of. It's a size 10, so I will definitely fit it. I feel like I need to keep this just to like try and style it someday. Oh my goodness, this next item, you guys will not believe. It's an All Saints item. This brand is super expensive. I've never owned anything from All Saints because the women's clothing from there is just so overpriced. And I've got to say, I'm not exactly pleased about the pattern of this, but I just know already that this would have been so expensive. £95 for this t-shirt. £95. Are you kidding? I mean, yeah, not my vibe. Don't love the shirt, but it's in a small, and maybe I could give this to someone in my family because I'm pretty sure this is a unisex top. It's quite like a relaxed shirt. The fabric is really nice, but I just cannot believe how much this would have cost originally. Such a cool find. I just wish it was a little bit more plain and didn't have this pattern on it. Then I definitely would have kept it. Okay, the next item is what looks like another waistcoat. This box has an obsession with waistcoats. This one looks more like a regular suit kind of waistcoat. Nothing too fancy. Yeah, not really my style. It's definitely a men's one. It's even in long, so yeah, I feel like that would have probably been about 30 or 40 pounds. Next up, we have whatever this is. It's again from the brand called Little Mistress. It looks like a slip dress in sunset orange. Again, the color is very bold. Definitely not the kind of color that I would personally wear, but wowzers, this is cute. This is in a size 10, so not my size, but oh my goodness. Look at this. It goes all the way down. It's like a full-on maxi dress. This would be great for like a hot summer's holiday abroad, that kind of vibe. It literally still has the tags. I don't understand how this has ended up like being so cheap. Ooh, we have another green floral pattern. It's like this box knows that I love floral, right? Here is the next item. What could this be? Is it a dress? It looks like a dress. I'm very confused where the top or the bottom is. Oh, okay. Okay, so it's one of these. Yeah, not my vibe. Little bit, auntie vibes again. But like, the print is alright. It's just not me. It is a cute dress, but just not my style. Oh, guys, we have another item from that like bad brand. The one that had like the really cool graphics. This time we have what looks like a knitted jumper. So let's see what this is about. Oh, wow. This is really interesting. It's more of, like a vest. What the heck? The back. Are you kidding? It's got like a huge dog in the back. That is so cool. And the dog is smoking like a cigarette. That is definitely very unique. Also on the front, it has this writing, and I'm still yet to read what it says. Bad handwriting, that's what it says. Can you read that? This is cool. It's in a medium. I mean, I don't know, it's my vibe, but I will definitely donate this. It's such a interesting and unique item. Moving on, we now have a yellow item. This is called the Asos Design Ribbed Midi with halter neck tie detailed dress in lemon. My color analysis lady, when I did my color analysis in Japan, did say that this kind of color does suit me. So yeah, who knows? What size is this? Oh, sadly this is a size 18, so it's gonna be way too big, but it is still a really nice dress, so I'm gonna have to donate this one. This would have been so cute though. And right at the bottom of the box, we have literally 3 blue items. And it's not even the kind of blue that I like. The first one is from a brand called Collusion. This brand is known for quite like streetwear, strange kind of style. So let's see what they have. Okay. Oh, we've got a pair of trousers in size 10. This actually isn't that strange. I was really expecting something weirder, but yeah, size 10, blue trousers, very plain, very simple. Again, I'm gonna have to donate these to charity, but they're really nice quality. The next item is also from Collusion. This time it's a top, and this one is a little bit more weird because it's made of that like strange towel kind of fabric. It almost feels like I'm touching a plushie. This one is in size 16, but it looks very small actually. I feel like this is just like my size but slightly oversized. And then the very last item is another one from that same bad writing brand or whatever it's called. It's another knitted item, again a vest, and this is it. All it says is stoned. I think. I feel like this brand is definitely heavy into like smoking and stuff, so I won't be repping this, but it's an interesting item. All right, guys, so that is everything for this box. That was all the 20 items in this mystery Asos box. Here is the grand total of all the items, what they would have cost originally on Asos. I honestly don't know the total price right now, so I can't say it, but I will know once I'm editing, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be quite shocking. I mean, just to put it into perspective, just this one shirt from All Saints has already more than covered the price of this whole entire box. This was £95 and I only paid 90 for this whole box. So if I sold this shirt for what it was worth, that would literally mean that all the other items were free. Obviously, as I said throughout this video, I will be donating a bunch of these clothes to charity just because I don't need them. I obviously only bought this box for the sake of this video, so you guys didn't have to if you ever wondered about like what these sort of mystery boxes entail. I will say personally, for like an individual like me, it's not that great just because because a lot of the clothing was not in my size and I probably wouldn't wear most of it. However, if you are a business and you sell like used clothes, or I don't know, you have like a Depop account even, I feel like this would be quite a good investment, especially if you get as lucky as I did with some of these like higher priced items. So that is definitely something to bear in mind. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Anyway, if you want to see more like this, definitely smash that huge thumbs up down below and let me know in the comments what kind of like return boxes you want to see next. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.